Hello! Hey, it's Cook with Jake and Joy, Season 9. We're up here at Chapala Gardens making cocktails, entertaining, one of the things that we like to do the most. And we're gonna make a recipe tonight that is traditionally not vegan, but we love.
Yes.
And so Jake figured out how to make it vegan.
Vegan. Okay, so we're gonna make an espresso martini. Really simple one. And so we
have been struggling with this for a long time.
On a previous episode, you saw us make our vegan Baileys. Now, the consistency is not awesome, but we're gonna go ahead and use it because the flavor is great.
Okay, before we get started with this cocktail recipe, you're gonna need vodka. Just choose whatever vodka you like. We're only gonna use about a half an ounce in it, so it's kind of a small cocktail. Then we're also gonna use the vegan Baileys, and if you didn't make your own, you'll wanna have the vegan Baileys that the Baileys company makes. And you're gonna use 2.5 ounces of that, and then you're also gonna want some strong espresso, and you'll wanna do a half an ounce of the strong espresso. You need a cocktail shaker with plenty of crappy ice because you want it to break up into ice crystals, and you'll need a couple of martini glasses.
Is we're gonna have I'm just calling this little cup an ounce because we don't have an actual measure. So I'm gonna put everything into a shaker full of ice.
Filled with ice.
Okay. So we're gonna do 2 ounces of the Baileys, which again, it doesn't look awesome, but it tastes great.
This is the Baileys we made on a previous episode?
Yes.
Nice.
Okay, so 2
And
ounces
the curdled
of that.
stuff is just coconut cream, and it's separated.
It calls for a 1/4 ounce of vodka. I'm gonna do a 1/2 ounce because that's how we are.
We party here at Cook with
That's
Jake
all
and
it
Joy.
calls for?
Yep, and then it
Wow.
also calls for a 1/4 ounce of espresso, but I'm also gonna do a 1/2 ounce because I
That's
like.
crazy. That's all?
Yeah.
Have you made these?
Yep, it's very good.
Okay.
Okay, so then we're gonna put this on, and using low quality ice, which is like the ice out of your freezer, is gonna get you those ice crystals when you shake it, and that's what makes it so.
This is even
amazing.
worse than what's out of my freezer.
You're gonna really shake it really good. I got espresso martini on my forehead. We're gonna call that good because I don't want to spill it, okay? And we're gonna split it into these 2 glasses because we want to share.
Oh, and that's
you
my
could,
portion.
yeah, there you go. That's yours.
That is terrible.
And you could top it we could garnish it with some coffee beans. But you see the ice crystals? It's so nice. You
Let's
want
put them
those
together,
ice crystals.
Don't you think they should be put together?
No, I think we should
You
have our own.
think? Okay, they just look sad.
Well, it's a half. It's a half a cocktail. Okay.
I guess that's good.
Yeah.
A
right?
half a cocktail. Cheers.
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 What about me?
Well, you can have a sip. It's good. It's pretty good.
It's not bad.
Yeah, it's the vegan Baileys isn't quite as creamy.
I don't know. I think it's pretty good.
It is pretty
I
good.
think it's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
Cheers to you. Hope you like it. You'll have to watch the episode that we did on making the vegan Baileys, or
Yeah.
you can use, I didn't bring out, but Baileys
has-
actually makes a vegan one. It has almond in it, and I do not like that.
It's not as good.
No,
but
it's not as good.
this is great.
Cheers.
Cheers.